Hey guys, this video is going to be on a brand new the GT225. I've had the XT200 featherweight, so it's time to retire it. That was my favorite weed whacker. With my disease and my arms, it's painful at best on a good day. So the featherweight, you could use it one arm at a time. And yeah, I really loved that thing. I couldn't find anything comparable in weight because it really was a featherweight, that's for sure. So we're going to go out and see the unboxing of this Echo GT225. The box of the different types. And then this is the one we have. See what we get. You get some cardboard, obviously. You get the shield. Manual. They give you a few of these cut off, pre-cut string. You'll get into that in a second here. And they give you 100 mils of two-stroke mix, curve shaft. And this is toolless as well. Washer, as people in the US calls it, a washer. What you washer on? Guys, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little nub, a little protrusion, it's tapered on the other side, but it's hard. You got to force it on. This system is the rapid feed system, and you put your string in through. It only goes in one way, and there's like two cams that kind of lock it in. It won't let it go. Two paws, if you will. I don't believe in this. I've never had it before, but I just can't see this lasting. So what you do is when you need a new one, it goes through here and you stop when the end of it would come to here. So you can pull it out that way, but you can't pull it out this way. And then when you want a new one, I wish you could see in there, but there's no way. It looks exactly like a paw on a socket. So you just push it through until it stops in here. I'll take pictures and everything, and then you're not supposed to be able to pull this out. If you guys know more about that system and you like it, let me know. 50 to 1, 40 to 1 I did for now. So prime it. I primed it like 5 times. Turn your choke on. Turn this to run. Curse at the black flies for an hour. Eat alive. I gotta cut this. Maybe finish it tomorrow. Easy. Everything is pretty much no tool. It really is. The hand though is a no tool, is a wing nut. This here is a wing nut. Taking off your air filter is just a plastic screw. The gas tank, well, It's less than a half a liter, so I don't know how long I'm going to get out of that. Probably have to fill this up 3 or 4 times. Like the hat. So now we're going to, this is a cold start. We'll talk about what I think of it after. So turn it on. Prime it. Choke. Not bad, right? Pretty good. So you guys won't hear nothing now until I get done. But I just wanted to show in this tall grass. I want to see. This is the first time using it. I haven't used it. So you're seeing this for the first time just as well as I am. Now this stuff here, this is lamb's kill. What they call lamb's kill. And that's has more than grass, but I'm going to give it a shot. I do it with my poulin all the time. She may need to be tuned up though, just the same. I don't think the carburetor is running exactly right. Not responding as good as what I would like, but maybe just need a little bit of adjustment. So far, I think this thing is good motor-wise as far as what I mean is it seems like it's got the power to do what I want it to do. Man, the black flies by us millions. Holy fuck, boy. What a guy don't do for a bit of a YouTube video. Yeah, she don't sound right. She don't fire up right away, but she don't back down that much when you get her going, just saying. Get in the shade here. So far, what do I think of this? Can you hear me? I'm going to speak in it. So right now, the pros of this thing is it's light, right? Lighter than a lot of the others. And so that's a bonus. It seems to be a okay build, right? It is just a weed whacker, but it seems to be pretty good build. I think we got to go in the shed. I gotta add this. This is the worst system I've ever seen in my life. Pardon the language. What? For every 8, you got to cut them off 8 inches, right? And you stick it in. And then when you wear out a inch of it, if you cut the inch off, it don't cut where the shit, right? You're just cutting a little tiny thing. So you got to, normally you would just push in on the thing and bump out another little inch or two. Because every one that I've had, it only bumps out when you hit the head, it only bumps out like an inch at a time. So you're throwing away 7 inches of string for every 8 inches that you cut. Huh? Who in their right mind thought up that system? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Then, not only that, folks, you'll cut a while. So say you got 10 of these. You'll cut until you get the 10 gone, and then you realize, oh, I need more. So you go in and start cutting. Well, what state that is? You got to spend there now to make it wild. You got to sit there for an hour cutting up string. Huh? Wow. Man, oh man. So, my vert, I don't have to wait for an update. I'm telling you, that's garbage. That is garbage. This is a few days now, and I'm going to give a little, well, I don't have to wait very long. My suspicions of that trimmer head is proven right. After a few, 3 hours, I don't even think it was 3 hours, more like 2 hours, I was proven right about that system. I couldn't get the wire, I couldn't get the string out. I had to go get needle nose pliers and pull it out, work it, and I got it out, and I could work the new string in. If you don't get nothing else out of this video, except for the fact that I'm telling you, if you order this machine online, make sure you order the bumper head for it if it don't already come with it. But if it comes with this system, make sure you order the bump head, because you will order it sooner or later, because you ain't going to be putting up with this system. I'm going to tell you, you got to cut your strips in 8-inch pieces. And so you use your last one, you come back, you don't have any, you're going to have to cut more. So you got to measure off your first one for 8 inches, cut that, then measure off all the rest, cut them, pick it up off the floor. If you don't mind that, that's fine. But with this here, you're throwing away 14 inches because you got 2 of them. You're throwing away 14 inches. They give me, I believe, 10 pieces. By the time I went through that, I realized what a waste. I think I added up, it was 3 feet of wastage in such a short time, because you're throwing away 14 inches. There you go. I don't know about the environment, but I certainly know about the wallet. And when you're throwing away 3 feet of wastage just for doing nothing, yeah, that's not a winner for me. With that system, you got to prepare to be carrying around needle nose pliers, and you got to have a pocket full of 8-inch strips, and you got to be carrying around a gas can, because the gas tank on it is not even a half a liter. It's only 0.4 of a liter or something. Other than that, I don't know what else to tell you. That trimmer head, what a bunch of fuckery that is. Other than that, machine's good. I think you get that trimmer head on there, she's going to be just fine. So folks, if you get nothing else out of this video, if you're ordering this online, you make sure you order that bump head. Unless you're just going to be cutting a bit of grass around your garden, or around a gnome, or a stationary object. That's all you're going to be doing. But if you're going to be cutting any amount of grass, no way. Hopefully you give me a thumbs up, comment, happy cutting.